Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create stunning AI videos. So first of all you have to do is open this website hailuoai.com and click on Conch Video. Once you click on it, a new tab will open. On this tab, you will be able to see two options, text to video or image to video. So today we are going to use text to video. So for that, we have to type a prompt which is in text, obviously. But what should we have to type? So we will use the services of ChatGPT to create our prompt. So I will tell ChatGPT that, as you can see, ChatGPT has created us a prompt. In there are multiple scenes, for example scene 1, scene 2. So what I will do, I will just copy the scene 1 and copy the description. Let's see what it has to provide us. I will copy it and then I will go back here and paste my prompt just over here. Click on generate and I will wait for a few minutes until it makes me a nice video. As you can see, now my generation has been completed, as I have just copied the only scene 1, which was a colorful hot air balloon gently rising from a grassy meadows at sunrise surrounded by light morning mist. The sky transitioned from a warm orange to a pale blue. This was the first scene, and let's see how it looks. As you can see, hot air balloon is flying above the sky, and this is the scene 1. If I copy scene 2, I can merge scene 1 and scene 2 together, which ChatGPT has created us. So you have to create 4 or 5 scenes, and after that, if you merge all of these videos on top of each other, then you will be able to create stunning AI videos. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.